Hello, I'm Lindsay, your personal interior design assistant, and welcome to Focal Wall. Transforming your space has never been easier. With Focal Wall, you'll effortlessly tackle wallpaper projects from start to finish. Simply follow these steps to name your project. Choose the perfect wallpaper, measure your walls, and calculate exactly what you need. Let's get started and bring your vision to life, one wall at a time. Step 1. Get started with room. Details. First, let's name your project. Tap the text fields and type in your information, your name and a brief description of the room. For example, home office makeover or living room redesign. This step helps keep everything organized, especially if you're working on multiple spaces. Step 2. Choose how to pick your wallpaper now. Let's pick your wallpaper. You have two options. Roll sizes. If you already know the roll size you're using, tap this option and select from sizes like 20.5 inches, 27 inches, or metric sizes like 53 centimeters. Use the roll size picker to make your choice. Manufacturers. Tap Manufacturers to browse collections from top names like Graham and Brown or York Wall Coverings. Select the manufacturer you'd like to use. Step 3. Select your pattern scroll through the available patterns and tap the one that matches your vision. For instance, Graham and Brown's Crocodile is a fantastic choice. Step 4. Measure your walls. Once you've chosen your wallpaper, it's time to measure your walls. Here's how. Focal scan. If your phone has LiDAR, tap the bright blue focal scan button and start scanning. Be sure to turn up your volume, I'll guide you every step of the way. Once you're done, tap Done to save your measurements and follow my prompts. You'll also receive a USDZ file and a JSON file with your scan data. These files will be attached to your email and can be used with other programs, such as Blender, for further customization or visualization. Manual measurements. No LiDAR, no worries. You can manually enter your wall dimensions. Tap the Wall section to open fields for length and height. Add more walls by tapping the plus sign. Duplicate a wall by clicking the duplicate icon. Delete a wall by swiping left and tapping Delete. All your walls will appear in a list with their dimensions neatly displayed. This keeps everything organized and easy to review. Step 5. Get your wallpaper rolls calculated. Once your measurements are complete, tap the Equals button. The app will calculate exactly how many rolls of wallpaper you'll need. Results are provided for both the US and UK roll formats. You'll also see a detailed breakdown by roll size and total square footage, or square meters. Step 6. Save, share, or export your results. After calculating your needs, you can save to Notes. Tap the Notes icon to save your results for future reference. Email. Send your results to yourself, an interior designer, or anyone involved in your project. Export files. Export your measurements as detailed files for professional use or record keeping. That's it. Using Focal Wall is simple and efficient. Whether you're working on one wall or planning an entire room, this app has everything you need to make your wallpaper projects a success. I'm Lindsay, thanks for joining me. I will see you soon.